Hi, I am Prakash M. I'm from Bangalore. I completed my BE, Bachelor of Engineering in Information Science domain. I passed out from 2022 in Chennabasaveshwara Institute of Technology and I placed for AST Infotech on the November. I joined JSPIDERS in the month of February. I got placed in this month. The presentation and the assignments and pre-drive test and the mock all or helped me a lot to get this job. Keep on practicing aptitude in the Instagram posted by the branding team of J Spiders, and thank you for Hari Krishnan sir and Darshan sir and Lakshman sir and all Java trainers who helped me a lot. Thank you, J Spiders Rajajinagar.